Welcome to Festival Foods. My name is Katie. I'm a dietetic intern working with the Festival Foods Mealtime Mentors. I'm excited for you to join me on this tour and learn how to navigate the aisles and find healthy options in each department. Let's get started. When first coming into the store, make sure to pick up a weekly ad. It is broken down by each department, so it's easy to find what's on sale. It's also a great way to try a new ingredient based on what's in the ad, and the Mealtime Mentors have a library of recipes online where you can find recipes that fit with each ingredient. Our first stop is the produce department. Aim to get half of your plate fruits and vegetables at each meal. Look for a variety of colors to get many different nutrients. There are many prepackaged options available at Festival Foods to help you get fresh fruits and vegetables in your day even with a busy schedule. Salads are an easy meal, as well as snack cups for when you're on the go. They come in many varieties including hummus and veggies, cheese and apples, and berries and almonds. Festival also has pre-sliced and chopped produce items. They're washed and ready to go to make cooking and eating a balanced meal easier. You can even try swapping veggie noodles for traditional pasta in your favorite dishes. The natural and organic section has many specialty foods, including dairy-free, gluten-free, and allergen-friendly options. There are many bulk foods available. Spices are a great way to get a small amount of something that you don't use often, because spices become less flavorful over time. There are also freshly ground almond and nut butters at each store. These are a healthy choice and don't include any unhealthy additives. In the deli department, the salad bar is a great way to get a serving or two of fruits and vegetables while being able to customize your meal. There's also a wide variety of salads and other options available at the deli, and the nutrition information is available online as well as in the store. Just ask one of the friendly associates for assistance. The step-by-step meal kits come in 3 different varieties: dinner for 2, skillet family dinners, and slow cooker family dinners. There are many varieties, and they can all be found on the Festival Foods website. In stores, the varieties will vary by the day, but if you don't see your favorite, you can talk to one of the associates and place an order with them. Everything that you need except salt and pepper will be included in the kits, along with Festival Foods' signature fresh ingredients from local sources. The meat and seafood department has many free services, including knife sharpening, pop-up thermometers, and freezer wrap of your purchases. The associates are experts and can answer any of your questions as well. Similar to the deli, the nutrition and allergen information is available at the counter as well as online. The one-step prep meals are a convenient option. There's a wide variety of proteins to choose from, and look for options that come with washed and seasoned vegetables or pair with a side salad to make a balanced meal. The kebabs, fajita mix, and stir fries at the meat counter also make for easy meals with vegetables included. When looking in the meat cases, look at the marbling of the meat. Leaner cuts will have less marbling, and this reduces the amount of saturated fat. The main aisles in the store make up the grocery department. Every variety of fruit and vegetable counts, so consider canned options as well. Canned fruit and 100% fruit juice is the best because there's no added sugar. And for vegetables, look for low-sodium varieties to cut down on salt. Beans and legumes are a great source of plant-based protein. They have a lot of fiber and they're also very inexpensive and versatile. Look for low-sodium varieties just like the vegetables in order to cut down on salt. There are many options to choose from when it comes to bread. Look for 100% whole grain choices for the most health benefit. These have a lot of fiber in them and they help keep you full. Look for the whole grain stamp in order to know that you're getting the whole grain options. Also, the first ingredient should start with the word whole. In the dairy department, when selecting the type of milk that you're looking for, make sure to pay attention to the cap color. That determines the amount of fat that's in the milk, but the other nutritional information doesn't change between the milks. Eggs are another inexpensive source of protein. They're also high in vitamins and minerals. The color of the shell doesn't impact the nutrition of the eggs. When looking at yogurt, Greek yogurt is very high in protein. All yogurt contains some sugar due to the lactose milk sugar, though flavored varieties come with added sugar as well. So looking for the plain options and adding your own sweetener if you're looking for something sweeter like honey is a great way to control how much is added. You can also cut fresh fruit into the yogurt to complement the tang. Now we're in the frozen department. Frozen vegetables are a convenient way to have a balanced meal. Look for varieties that come in bags to steam in the microwave because those can be prepared very easily. Look for those without added sauces to cut down on saturated fat and sodium. You can season how you'd like them and then you know how much you're adding. Frozen fruit is also another great choice. You don't have to worry about the fruit going bad, and it's often cheaper when the fruit is not in season. You can use them in smoothies, overnight oats, and many other recipes. Frozen meals are a convenient option when you don't have a lot of time. Look for varieties that have less than 800 milligrams of sodium to cut down on the salt and have more of a balanced meal. You can also round out the plate with some extra frozen vegetables to help keep you full. Now we're in the bakery. The nutrition and allergen information is also available in stores for the bakery items as well as online. This can help you find items that fit within your needs. Portion control is something important to consider in the bakery. Look for single-serve items or share larger items with someone else. You can also ask any of the associates to repackage bakery items to get exactly the amount that you're looking for. Many bakery items freeze well also, so you can repackage items once you get home in single servings so you can save the rest for another day. Sprouted grain breads are a great option from the bakery. They come in 4 different whole grain varieties. Sprouted grains have many health benefits, including increased digestibility, mineral absorption, antioxidants, and vitamin C and D. Thank you for joining me for a tour of our store. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to the Mealtime Mentors at AskFestivalDietitians.com. You can also find recipes and resources online at festfoods.com/meals. Thanks.